Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will explain you how to create this social media glowing ID card images. So without further ado, let's get start the video. Firstly, open your browser and search bing.com. Open the first link. And after logging with your email, you will see this page. You can type your prompt right here. I will provide this prompt in the description box. Then simply click on the create button. Click on the image to preview. I want to use this image. Simply click on the download button and download your favorite picture. You can also change your prompt according to your requirements. You can change social media names and what does he wearing. You can create so many pictures according to your requirements. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Lies your mind.